Morning. We're going to talk about using the rain to your advantage. We're going to talk about summertime products. We're going to talk about grubs. We're going to talk about fertilizing, cover a bunch of different stuff. I'll show you a bunch of stuff. I'm going to cut the green. I may spike aerate the green. We got to cut the front. We got to cut the yards across. A bunch of stuff going on, so hold on. Hey guys, I got a lot to cover in this video. I hope you'll stick with me. First of all, click subscribe because we got a lawn summer scalp that I'm gonna do out front. You don't want to miss that, so make sure you're subscribed. Number two, anything I'm talking about in the description below, one link takes you to a page where I list everything. I don't list links down in the description. I put one link, takes you over a website. But I wanted to address the issue, especially for you guys that don't have irrigation. This is a great time. Watch your 10-day forecast. I look at it and I've got 2 days coming up after tomorrow. I got 80% chance of thunderstorms both days. So I need to sort of think what I need to do. Well, I need to cut my green. I may spike aerate the green. We need to cut the front. We need to cut the lawns across the street. If we got 2 or 3 days of heavy storms coming in, I don't want the equipment on there with its mud, so I want to cut it out before. Look, if you've got some really good storm weather coming in and you're in the 90s, it's a great time to shortcut your lawn. Cut it hard, put down whatever you need. Put down fertilizer, put down bug treatments, put down Humichar, and then just let it rain. It comes right back up. And I'll show you that here in a second. I came out early this morning. I'll show you Barb's lawn that looked like crap last week, the other lawns that looked like crap last week, and then we put down products, rain came through, and they're starting to look great again. But I want you to focus on the weather patterns and use those to your advantage. Get out before the rain and cut your grass. Get out before the rain and put down whatever products you need and use that natural rain. Cut your lawn short if you know, as an example, it's 80% chance of storms. So I know I'm going to have thunderstorms come through. Get out and cut your lawn short before that. That way you don't have to worry about it. It doesn't grow long. You don't have a bunch of clippings. Get it done now. So one thing I'm thinking about doing is I'm thinking about doing a scalp. This is sort of the last chance for a scalp if you want to do one, just to lower your cutting height. The front is beautiful, and I'm thinking about scalping it. And why? Because I've let it get a little bit longer than I like, but I also want to do a little bit of leveling out here. Oh my goodness. I want to do a little bit of leveling out here. So now's the time. Now's the time to get this done. You have to do scalping during the active growing season when the weather's warm. You can't do it in cooler temps. So the front looks, it's just stunning. It really is stunning. But it's longer than I want. And I want to do a little bit of leveling out here. Look how pretty that is. And here's one other note that's kind of funny. Remember how bad Barb's lawn looked? Well, let me show you hers. We cut it, scalped it ugly, and now look at it. It's really looking pretty good. Looking much better. Now I'm going to show you something that's really cool, the test patch. Look how good this looks. Now keep in mind, this area looked like this 2 years ago. We got tired of looking at it, so we just took it over. It's part of a rental property. Look how good that looks. Keeping it simple, PGF Complete, Humichar, and that has had growth regulator on it. Even the world's worst. I don't know if you remember, but these all looked like crap last week because we came off a drought and we cut them real short. It was looking like crap 2 weeks ago. So step number one, get the equipment out. I need to get out the little mower for the green and the spike aerator. And we'll go take care of that before it gets too hot and Jess is coming over in a little while. So I will say, what I did this time is I'm starting to treat this just with super juice once a week. And let me tell you what, it's made a big difference on the green. It's thickening up, has much richer. I'm actually adding a little bit of iron because my phosphorus was a little bit high back here. And it's doing a lot better this time. With this aerator, I have the option of spikes or cores. I've got small spikes for the green. I've got large spikes for the regular yard. And then I have core spikes that I'll be using on the front. And I can switch them out pretty easily. So the good witch is here. Are you saying hi, Linda? You say hi to the good witch?
Yes.
And we'll go over our project list here in a minute. I'm already sweating.
Yeah, it's humid today.
Good Lord, it's already hot out here. And Jacob's not going to show up till 1:30. He's going to be hurting. All right, so we go over the checklist to begin with today. So, sweet pine needles on just that back area. In the vegetable garden, I didn't know you had left the tomatoes there. So if you get a bucket and get the tomatoes.
I forgot them on accident.
Get the tomatoes and the squash and let's dump them behind the fence.
Yeah.
And then cut the front. And then you can go to do your hobby craft store crap you gotta do.
Lots of errands today.
All right, so now I gotta go finish spiking this. So, all right, so one of my concerns is we're going to be scalping this down, and I don't want to put my double kill after the scalp. I want to kill anything that's there. I know I found some sodworms or maybe some grubs, but it's real thick. So I'm going to put a heavy coat of the double kill down on my front. It looks great. We just finished cutting it, and let's see, we're hot, we're sweaty. But this is the double kill product. And it's a DG particle, so tonight and tomorrow when those storms move in, boom, it's going to go down in and get all those bugs and grubs.
Can you see me shaking? Hear the sound of my heart breaking. Bless the soul that's aching, hoping I survive. The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you. For losing you. Only thought that we were foolish, not that we were cruel enough to do it. Now I feel so stupid. Don't you feel that too? The feeling lingers on every day of every month. Wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh baby, don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you. Left our love up on those dusty shelves. Can't forgive myself for losing you.
So I'm waiting on thunderstorms. It's just hot and humid. We're going to have thunderstorms moving tonight, and then tomorrow there's 80% chance as well. But let me summarize. We cut the front. We've got bug killer on the front. The back is all cut. The green is all done. Barb's lawn has a second treatment of bug killer ready because she has grubs over there, and I'm going to take you over there in a second and show you that. The test patch across the street, put down the double kill over there, and we cut it. The world's worst, we cut it. So we've got fertilizer out in Barb's. The front entrance, I ran up to the front entrance with my truck. I take care of the front entrance when it comes to the application. Someone else cuts it, so service does. I haven't done anything this year. I've been a bad boy. So I ran up there and I put everything down. I put fertilizer. I put the fungicide, the granular fungicide. I put the bug killer. I put everything down because I was looking like crap. So again, I'm using this rain. I know there are going to be some heavy storms. I'm going to use it. But let me show you over here on Barb's. I just want to show you real quick. Now, if you start to see spots like this, where it's a complete dead circle or complete dead area like this is grub damage over here. It can look like fungus sometimes, but a lot of times it's grubs. So you see this area over here? That right there is grub damage. And I know for sure because if you look, armadillos have been digging right here. There are holes all in here. See that hole? That's an armadillo hole right there. And they're all in here. And he was in here eating grubs, and I found grubs the first application. So again, use this time. Perfect time to be putting down all your products, everything that you need. I'm starting to order all my fall products and get them stacked up. And but I'm using these rain showers when they come through. And again, get your yards cut and get everything ready. Whew, man, it's hot out here. Anyways, guys, click subscribe, get the Bermuda Lawn Guide, and I'll talk to you later.